Hey ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's Rudi here with your realtors again, and I'm going to tell you it is slippery in the hoods in Edmonton and all around because we have had some crazy weather here happening in the last few days. As you can see, we have snow, but just recently we had a whole whack of freezing rain which left roads in the neighborhoods and especially properties and city sidewalks in a little bit weird conditions, which are not really safe for people to walk on and the roads to be driven on. So I'm gonna have a little walk around in the hood and show you what properties look like these days. So here we have a driveway and they even put out a sign here, caution slippery, and if you as you can see, it is super shiny, super icy, like those reflections are from the ice here. You can see it's all icy here. They have put down actually some gravel or sand, which is available at the community halls or community centers in each neighborhood. So you can see they've put down some gravel and some sand, which gives some traction here and actually prevents the slippiness a little bit. So then we can anyways, but this driveway is like disastrous. So is this one here. I'm slipping and sliding as I'm walking. Look at this, guys, it's all ice and I'm slipping here walking. See the sidewalks here, city sidewalks. You don't want to risk getting a fine. They may have put down ice melt because you can see like the little holes in here where it started to crackle up. But then if you don't follow up, if you don't put more ice melt down, or sometimes you even need to scrape it because it's so thick. Those guys have put down gravel here a little bit, a tiny wee. This driveway looks a little bit better. They've done some efforts to break up the ice, but with those pavers driveways, you want to be a little bit careful too. You don't want to put too much ice melt down because it will, or it may cause some damage to the material on the driveway. Again, there's some more sand here on the sidewalk, but like, geez, guys, like those driveways, they're just nasty. I don't want to live here. Again, some more sand here, so which is good. They've done some effort, but you still got to walk that wobble tangent walk. Look at this, guys, here. This is not our property, but so these guys have made a great effort and successfully removed all the ice. You can see the difference here. Completely ice free and ice covered, but they've put down gravel or sand at least. So this is very safe to walk on these days. But look at this. This is the road here, which is all funky. And the driveway, what's going up with this? So, but kudos to taking care of the city sidewalk, which is awesome. And then again, we keep walking here. We keep walking. And coming up is another property. And it looks like they may have not done anything here. So it's icy, as you can see. Going from ice free to ice again, and you've got to be careful here. So this basically all continues throughout the neighborhoods. This is just one neighborhood, as you can see. Again, you want to do it like these guys here. So applause to those guys here. Okay, and coming up is a property we take care of. So the city sidewalk looks in decent conditions. Like there's always going to be the challenge of some residual ice. All in all, it looks pretty decent. So here, this is a paver driveway. We have soaked it in ice melt a few times. And on pavers, it's very tough to completely remove the ice just with ice melt. So we have to basically scrape it too, and then remove the loose ice. Again, there's follow-up needed, guys. Just putting down ice melt in many cases when we have freezing rain will not just do the job itself. Many cases there's like a mechanical like scraping needed as well to break up the ice and basically get rid of it. So here, you guys, oh my god, like this is on a slope, as you can see, and this is ice covered. It looks like they may have put down some ice melt, but it's still covered in ice. Like, you don't want to go up here, because if you do, you probably slide back down. Same with the city sidewalk here. Super icy. Walkway up to the house, super icy. Yeah, guys, this is just nasty. And the slippy driveways continue all through the neighborhoods here. So I hope this helped you getting a little bit of a picture of what's going on here on the city neighborhoods with all the freezing rain and weather havoc we have had in the last few days. So if you don't do anything, you don't gonna get rid of the ice, even though we have pretty mild temperatures right now, but the ground is just too frozen. So the ice will prevail, and if you don't get rid of it, you're gonna have it all winter long. So that's no fun. Plus you may risk getting a fine from the city because they don't accept that either. So please take care of your city sidewalks, your driveways, to make it safe for everyone stepping foot on your property. You can get sand from the community boxes and just put it down. If they don't have enough, contact the city to fill it up again, or you go to the local hardware store or grocery store and then fill up with some ice melt and put it down and completely get rid of the ice too. If you don't want to do that at all, you may want to consider calling snow and ice management professional. You don't have to call us, but we will definitely help you out if you do. So again, this is Rudi here with Your Yard Service. You can contact us youryardservice.com or give us a call 780-218-8134. Hope you're having a fantastic holiday season, and talk to you next time. Bye.